Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this tablet. You need to begin by opening Clock app. Now select Alarm section at the bottom on the left and tap on those three dots. Then select Settings. In those settings, you can manage upcoming alarm notification. When you're ready, go back and tap on this plus icon next to three dots to create your alarm. Then set tap an hour. When you're ready, pick days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. In my case, Mondays and Fridays. You can also tap on alarm name and label your alarm however you wish to, if you wish to. Then click on those two switches next to alarm sound and snooze to disable or enable those features. You can also tap on alarm sound. Pick one of those sources like Spotify or ringtone and choose allow in the pop-up. Now manage those two switches if you wish to enable or disable those two options and select one of those melodies. In my case, Moon Discovery. You can also adjust the volume of your ringtone by swiping left or right on this slider. If you want to, tap on this plus icon at the top right corner instead and select music from your device. Firstly, click on this switcher next to play selected highlights to switch it off or on. Then tap on one of your songs and click on Done at the top right corner. When you finished, go back. Last but not least, click on Snooze and select how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Go back and save your alarm by tapping on Save at the bottom right corner. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. You can also edit your alarm by clicking on it, making your changes, and tapping on Save again. If you wish to delete it instead, you need to hold it and click on Delete over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!